Hey there, science fans. Polymers are everywhere, from your phone case to your sneakers. These amazing materials are chains of molecules that make up plastics, rubbers, and even DNA. Scientists have been studying them for ages. Now, get this: artificial intelligence and machine learning are shaking things up. Remember the days of mixing chemicals and hoping for the best? Those days are fading fast. AI and ML are like having a super smart lab assistant. They crunch massive data sets to help us understand polymers better than ever before. We're talking faster discoveries, cheaper materials, and a greener planet. Who wouldn't want that? This isn't science fiction, folks. It's happening right now. We're on the verge of a polymer revolution. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore how AI and ML are changing the game in polymer science.
Back in the day, polymer science was all about trial and error. Scientists mixed stuff together and see what happened. It was like baking a cake without a recipe. And sometimes the cake exploded. Then came computers. Remember those giant machines with punch cards? They helped us model simple polymers. It was a start. Computer-aided design came along and changed the game. We could design and visualize polymers on a screen. No more exploding cakes. But something even more amazing was brewing: machine learning. ML algorithms learn from data, just like we do, but they do it way faster and without coffee breaks. Now, we're using ML to predict the properties of new polymers before we even make them in the lab. That's like knowing how strong a building will be before a single brick is laid.
Imagine searching for a new polymer with the perfect properties. You'd need it to be strong, flexible, and maybe even glow in the dark. In the past, this was like finding a needle in a haystack. But AI is changing the game. AI is like a superpowered detective. It analyzes mountains of data to find hidden patterns and relationships. This helps us connect the dots between a polymer's structure and its properties. Think of it like this: AI is like a matchmaking service for molecules. It finds the perfect match of atoms and bonds to create a polymer with the exact properties we need. This means we can design materials for specific purposes, from flexible solar panels to self-healing phone screens. The possibilities are endless.
Making polymers is like cooking a giant batch of molecular spaghetti. It's all about getting the temperature, pressure, and timing just right. If things get out of whack, you end up with a sticky mess. AI is like a master chef in the polymer kitchen. It monitors the manufacturing process in real time and adjusts things on the fly to make sure everything runs smoothly. With AI at the helm, we can optimize production, reduce waste, and create higher quality polymers. This means your new phone case will be stronger, cheaper, and better for the environment. That's a win-win-win. We all know plastic pollution is a huge problem. But what if we could use AI to create a more sustainable future for polymers? Good news, folks, we can. AI is helping us develop new biodegradable and recyclable polymers. These eco-friendly materials break down naturally, so they don't end up polluting our oceans and landfills. AI is also helping us improve recycling processes. It can identify different types of plastics, even if they're mixed together. With AI by our side, we can create a circular economy for polymers. That means less waste, fewer emissions, and a healthier planet for everyone. Share your polymer challenges with us, and we'll help find solutions. Got video ideas? Let us know and we might feature them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of polymers.